Hi everyone and welcome to Solve the Mysterious Case with Stats. I'm Karina and today we are diving into a mysterious question. Does rainy weather boost bakery sales? Here is the data from our local bakery. Over the past month they've noticed a pattern. On rainy days, their sales seem to spike. You can see that on days like 2nd, 4th and 6th, when it was raining, sales are higher. But why? Is it just coincidence, or rainy days really make people crave sugar? Here is a challenge for you. Analyze this data and come up with a logical or statistical explanation of why it might be the case. There is one little tip. You can use correlation analysis or any other statistical method that you know and comfortable with. You can use Excel or Python or any other tool you're comfortable with to solve this mystery. In the next part of this video, I will show how I approach this mystery and demonstrate calculations in Excel and Python. So if you want to solve this mystery on your own, I suggest you pause this video and then come back to the video where you can compare your results to mine. In today's video, we will calculate a correlation coefficient, a statistical measure that shows how strongly the two variables are related. In our case, those variables are rain and sales. Here is our data again. We have sales figure and whether it rained or not on that specific day. To make it more easy, we will change yes and no to ones and zeros. Yes will be 1 and no will be 0. I will show you how to calculate Pearson's correlation in Excel and in Python. This is how to solve our mystery in Python. So first of all, we need to import two libraries, pandas, and we need to import scipy. And from scipy stats, we import Pearson's correlation. But first we need to create a data frame from our data, so we do pd.dataframe and in brackets data. In Python, we can calculate both p-value and correlation. So we say correlation, comma, p-value equals Pearson R brackets, and then our two columns. So df square bracket sales, comma, df square bracket rain. And then we are printing our results. So our correlation coefficient is 0.89. This coefficient tells us that there is a positive, strong correlation between rainy days and sales. A coefficient closer to 1 means a strong positive correlation. And our p-value is 3.43. So we can make a conclusion that correlation is statistically significant. So looks like bakery does make more business when it rains. This analysis is not conclusive. It doesn't prove causation. It just proves association. And how to calculate that in Excel. So we have two columns, one indicating sales, one indicating rainy days. To calculate correlation, you say equal correl bracket, and then you need to pick two arrays. The first array is our sales, comma, the second array, which is our rainy days. And you can see the result, 0.89. The correlation coefficient always ranges from -1 to 1, where 0 means no correlation and 1 or -1 means a strong correlation. -1 means a strong negative correlation, while +1 means a strong positive correlation. Excel doesn't directly provide p-value, so you either need to use other statistical tool or you need to perform a t-test calculation based on a sample size and a correlation coefficient. Let me know if it helped to understand the stats better, and see you next time.